Okay, so this is a Kaltenborn wedge. You do not have to have one of these, but if you take two tennis balls and you tape them together with duct tape or athletic tape so that the balls are kind of like this, you're going to use the crease between the balls just like I'm going to use the crease between the wedge. So what you do is this part of your spine where your neck becomes your back where your ribs start, which your ribs start higher than you probably think they do. That part of your back is what you're trying to focus on. So if I take my little wedge and I'm going to put it down on the ground, and then I have to put the bone of my upper back between the divots. So on the ball, you put it in the divot in between the balls. And I'm just going to relax into it. And then after I've done that for a bit, I might move up one segment and do it again. And what you're looking for is the areas where you're limited and restricted. It will be slightly uncomfortable. Hold it 30, 60 seconds, and then move to the next segment.
If you're a patient at Apex Wellness Providers, this video has been made for you to help assist in your technique for your health and wellness journey. If you're not a patient, please use this for educational and entertainment purposes and is never a substitute for your own individual medical advice.